All right, it's Monday. Time to get at it again. Hope you had a good weekend. Here we're gonna get right into our warm-up with mountain climbers, jumping air squats, med ball, deadlift, jump and shrug, and single unders. Okay, so this is a new movement here, the med ball, jump and shrug. What we're gonna do here is, even if you don't have a medicine ball at home, you can use a sandbag, a dumbbell, even a barbell. This is an Olympic lifting warm-up move. You're going to deadlift, jump, and shrug at the top, okay? So you're not pulling with our arms. You can leave the arms a little loose, let the elbows bend slightly, but we're not gonna continue that pull. So we're just gonna extend at the hips and then extend up at the shoulders and then land, okay? Single unders, if you have a jump rope at home, by all means do that. If you go into the second round, you can start working on double unders. But if you do not have a jump rope at home, we're just gonna do regular jumping jacks or toe taps here. We're just gonna get those feet moving, okay? And that's it. We're gonna go through 2 rounds of this warm up and we're gonna get into our workout, okay? So let's see what we got for our workout. All right, here we are with the workout. It's a fun one today. It's based off of time, okay? So we're just gonna spend time in each station. It's 3 sets, and a set is a completion of all of these, and rest is built in here, okay? So you don't have to worry about leaving anything in the tank for the next round. The rest is already here, so you can give it your all. Now, this is gonna be 45 seconds of bike, run, or row. Now, if you don't have a bike or a rower, or you can't get out and run, okay, you're just gonna do toe taps. So running in place, toe tapping, jumping jacks, any cardiovascular movement that you can do in place, okay? Then you're gonna have a 45-second rest right after that. And then backpack squat cleans, okay? So you're gonna go from the ground into a squat and then stand and then return back to the ground. Okay, now if you don't have a backpack, substitute dumbbells, barbells, sandbags, anything you got there. Okay, there's 45 seconds to rest in between each station, okay? It's max sit-ups and jump rope. Now again, if you don't have a jump rope, you can do penguin taps, you can do box step-ups, you can do jumping jacks, anything that gets your feet moving, okay? Since we already have running up here, so I assume that, like, if you're doing toe taps in the first round, you probably don't want to do toe taps here in lieu of jump rope, okay? If you are doing something different, by all means substitute toe taps or running in place for those jump ropes, okay? And then rest, and then we repeat 3 times through, okay? So your score is your reps of each movement. So this is one that's kind of gonna be hard to keep track of unless you have a whiteboard with you and you're writing down. So, but if you do want to keep track of your score, just during your rest period, just write it down, what you got, all right, and then add it all up at the end, okay? All right, let's see. We don't have a official finisher today, but if you're on one of my Zoom calls, we're gonna be doing some ab work after this, okay? Something a little different than just regular sit-ups. And going through our yoga flow cool down, okay? All right, so I look forward to seeing you in my Zoom class, or check out tomorrow's workout. Let's go through movement demos next.